In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the invoice number in Xero, step by step, and also how to update the invoice number sequence for all future invoices. Whether you entered the wrong number, need to fix a duplicate, or want to reset your numbering system, I'll walk you through everything you need to know. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Xero tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the top menu and click on Business. From the drop-down menu, select Invoices. This will take you to your Invoices overview page where you can see all your draft, awaiting payment, and paid invoices. Now, to change an invoice number, you need to open an invoice that is still editable. Click on either the Draft tab or the Awaiting Payment tab, depending on where your invoice is located. Keep in mind that if an invoice has already been fully paid and reconciled, you may not be able to edit the invoice number without additional steps. For now, open a draft or awaiting payment invoice by clicking directly on it. Once the invoice is open, go to the top right-hand corner and click on Invoice Options. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Edit. This will switch the invoice into editing mode. Now locate the invoice number field. This is usually near the top of the invoice form. Click directly inside the invoice number box, delete the existing number if necessary, and type in your new invoice number. Make sure the number follows your accounting sequence and doesn't duplicate another existing invoice number, as Xero may warn you about duplicates. After entering the new invoice number, scroll down if necessary and click the Update button. Once you click Update, Xero will save your changes and your invoice will now reflect the new number. That's it for changing a single invoice number. Now let's talk about something equally important, changing the sequence for all future invoices. This is useful if you're starting a new financial year, rebranding, or simply want to update your invoice prefix and numbering format. To do this, go to the top left corner of your screen and click on your organization name. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to your general settings page. On the settings screen, look for the Invoice Settings tile and click on it. Inside Invoice Settings, click on Default Settings. This is where you control the automatic numbering system for new invoices. Here, you'll see a field labeled Invoice Prefix. If you want all your invoices to start with specific text, like inv-2026- or any custom format, type that text into the invoice prefix box. For example, you might enter inv-. Next, find the next number box. This determines the next invoice number Xero will automatically assign. Enter the number you want to start from. For example, if you want your next invoice to be inv-5000, you would enter 5000 in this field. Once you've updated both the prefix and the next number, click Save. From this point forward, every new invoice you create will follow this updated numbering sequence automatically. And that's it. Now you know how to change an individual invoice number in Xero and how to update the numbering sequence for all future invoices. It's a simple process once you know where to look, and it gives you full control over your invoicing system. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step Xero guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.